Hi there and welcome back. So before moving to the next videos that will deal with tabular data, let me revisit now in this case we're looking at state one because I forgot to mention something. Now in all the previous cases, now we do all the post-processing, we plot scenes, we look at tables, but I forgot to mention how to save that tabular data. Okay, it's relatively straightforward after you do all these operations. And let me show you in this case. Let me split here. And for instance, I have this one here, you have this point, and I can go, you have it there, and look at that, you have in the toolbar here different options. Now you can do selections, so on, but here you can select what you want to save now. So let me go here, okay, select that, and then here, for instance, let me save it here in test. It will save in CFD format, you choose there, and when you open this, you are saving that specific data. Okay, but look at that you are saving that specific time. Okay, if I press play, you see that it changes. So what if I want to save every single time? Well, you will look at this data here. So again, you are in tabular data. Okay, and instead of plotting this one, plot this one, or plot this one. This is pretty much the same. So I will plot this one. You will do the same what you want to plot. So I want to plot this. Okay, choose whatever you want, you get the point, and here let me go select test, save. Okay, and when you open here, you're going to have all the data. So this data also you can read it in paraview. I'm going to show you and to remind you we're using paraview 6. And coming back now to the issue, also there was a video, or probably I mentioned that in this, that if you want to plot, now eliminate the initial transit here, it's better to load the data from 60 to avoid this one. But also you can save this data, then load this data, erase, now threshold the data, because now here in tables you can apply threshold, and then you load that specific data and apply your FFT to that filtered data, and we're going to do that now in the next video. So that was all, just to show you that I forgot to mention. So see you next videos. Bye.